Stop trying to fix your life. It's not broken. It's burnt. And you're standing in the ashes, duct taping old habits, patching holes in a mindset that's already failed you 1,000 times. You don't need a tweak. You need a demolition. Because here's the truth. You built your life on comfort, distraction, and fear. Of course it collapsed. It was never built to carry greatness. So stop asking, how do I get back on track? There is no back. That version of you, dead weight, burn it. You don't need another productivity app or a morning routine. You need a funeral for your old self. Here's why you're stuck. You keep clinging to scraps of a life you secretly hate. You keep pretending your excuses are valid. You keep hoping change won't hurt. It will. And it should. Rebuilding means you throw away the crutches. Delete the comfort. Say goodbye to the people who expect you to stay small. You start again from zero, with pain as your fuel. Forget balance. Forget healing. This is war. So light the match. Let it all burn. And when the smoke clears, build something that makes the old you jealous. Your life doesn't need fixing. It needs a funeral. And you? You need to show up to the burial with a hammer in one hand and no mercy in the other.